You are on a road trip. Say you're going to Goa. It takes 3 hours for you to reach Goa. So you sit in the car, you start the vehicle and you accelerate. And अब सीधा गोवा जाके छोड़ दूंगा मैं पैर. नहीं ना, that doesn't work. Sometimes you have to drive fast on a highway. Sometimes you have to drive slow in a city, and sometimes you have to drive very, very slowly in the Ghat section. Exactly. Writing is just like driving to Goa. Let's see how. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pratiksha Manglekar, and this channel is about language learning and personality development with focus on English language. This is a 15 episode series where we'll improve our writing skills in just 5 minutes per episode. Today we'll explore how to master pacing in your writing, ensuring your story keeps the reader engaged from start to finish. Stay with me till the end of the video for a quick exercise. So why does pacing matter? Pacing is crucial because it controls the flow of your story, keeps the reader engaged, and balances action and description. Today, we'll look at the techniques of mastering pacing and maintaining your reader's interest. Effective pacing involves four key elements: scene length, sentence structure, action versus description, and dialogue. Let's explore all of these elements in detail. First is scene length. Short scenes can increase the pace of your story, creating a sense of urgency. A good scene structure will have an inciting incident like a fight, a turning point, a climax, or a solution. Longer scenes tend to slow things down, allowing for more detail and reflection. You should use a mix of both to keep your story dynamic. Next is the sentence structure. Short sentences create tension and a quick pace, while longer sentences add more details and slow things down. Imagine this sentence: I'm going for a run. Immediately, you get to know that there is some urgency, there is some hurry that I have to attend to, or you also see a quickness in my movements. It is also, could be high priority or critical. As against the tall bespectacled man with his salt and pepper hair neatly combed back, wore a tailored navy suit, excluding an air of quiet confidence as he spoke eloquently. His deep and resonant voice captivating everyone in the room. See, what you get to know is more and more details about this person. What is he wearing? How is his hair? Automatically, the tone is relaxed, slowed down, and also steady. Okay, it's very leisurely. You need to keep varying your sentence length to maintain a balanced and engaging rhythm. Sentences is just like scenes. Taking the same idea of sentence structure forward, we lay on the third key element, that is action and description. Balancing action and description is essential for a good pacing. Use action to drive the plot and keep the readers on the edge of their seats. For this, think of all the action words, that is verbs. On the other hand, use description to build your world and develop the characters. For example, you're cooking something. You don't add all the ingredients at once. You add ingredients one after the other. You let it cook, you let it simmer. Everything is supposed to be cooked at, for different length, different intervals. And after that only you will find the right balance for your yummy dish. Exactly. Find the right balance for your impressive story. We have dealt with dialogue in the previous episode. Okay. However, dialogue can help you speed up the pace of your story. It breaks up long passages of description and action, and it also adds variety. Dialogue is very important in order to reveal character traits and advance the plot effectively. Now it's your turn. Write a short scene focusing on pacing, incorporating ideas that we have learned today. Share your scenes in the comments with the hashtag mini writing workshop. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Mini Writing Workshop. Remember, mastering pacing involves managing scene length, sentence structure, balancing action and description, and effective use of dialogue. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your scenes. Stay tuned for the next episode on crafting vivid description. Happy writing and keep shining!